Hey there, Leslie here. So this is another hot topic, just like yesterday's video. Procrastination. What are you putting off? And there are two ways to handle what you're putting off. You could feel intensely pulled to the paralegal career, and you've hit some barriers. And that's also a reason you might be putting things off. Like you think you've hit this barrier, there's no way around it, and I'm done. I can't do anymore. But yes, you can. So the energy that you're using to tell yourself, I can't do this, I'm stuck, is the energy you should be using to do one of two things. You're going to drop it entirely and say, I'm not doing it. Okay, and walk away. But if that's something that you know you shouldn't do, then the other option is this. You've got to take this energy and believe in yourself that there's a way to get around the barrier, and there is, and do it. Okay? Am I like some genius with Microsoft Word? No, I am not even close. But I know some advanced skills, and I made it my business to learn that. And so that's not what gets me the job. What gets me the job and got me the job, even as a vastly inexperienced person, is understanding the paralegal duties. And I learned some of them, and I communicated that in my cover letter and during the interview. And that's what would land me the jobs. That's what I learned how to do when I sat in my office, as you've heard in my other videos this week. For 3 weeks sat there and no one would call me back. That was the turning point. And I was desperate for a job. So there are always solutions to the problem. And that's what you focus on. Not how it went south, how you went south, the barrier. If you focus on the barrier, you never get around it. You've got to focus on the solution. Okay? Let me know what you think in the comments. Would love to hear from you.